Hi, and welcome to Deep Papa's Living a Flip-Flop Life. In today's episode, we're looking inside Amazon KDP's mystery book, murder mystery puzzle books. Now, this is a new niche that is up and coming, and it's pretty popular. And there's a lot of people actually buying. I mean, look at this, 753 reviews and everything. Now, why? And look at that one. So basically, it's pretty good. It's powerful. A lot of people are actually buying. Look at this one right here, Cold Cake puzzle games. And the amount of purchases that are happening, and it shows that it's pretty popular. Okay, so what are these books? Well, these are like type of puzzle books where there's over 50,000 subjects, 18 clues, one killer. Can you solve the crime? All right, I never really read these books, maybe when I was younger, but in general, these are new areas for you to check out. Okay, there's all these different ones. So let's say we keep this open, right? Let's keep this open. Okay, I'm going to keep it open. And the reason why I'm doing this video, because I have an actual software that will create these books for you, these books that you're seeing here. So all these books, you're going to be able to create them using this one right here. Now, what is this? This is the KuroNazo. Okay, this is from iPass. This is a software that will help you generate these books real quickly. Now, before I get started in showing you how simple it is to use with built-in AI, let me show you what you would get if you decided to pick this up through my links below this video. So what I've done is I created a stack of bonuses that you can't go wrong. And it's the second time, for the first time ever, that I'm offering you my own software to build your KDP business and start selling on Amazon, generating royalties based on real, not based on theory, based on my software, my training, my system. Okay, but you're getting access to the software that creates the books. You have access to this, and you get access to what I'm about to show you as well. Now, this is inside my actual Royalty Profits AI software, where you're going to be able to come in and actually create your own books from scratch. Okay, so you can come in, do research, you can come in and create your books. And from here, you can create a campaign, and then you can choose the type of campaign, the pages, the type of topic. You can put a URL, it'll create anything that you want, all the EPUB settings that you need, all the categories, your affiliate links if you need to. Then you move on to the next where you create the book, etc. And then once you're done, you have a book ready to go, and you can actually start selling it on Amazon KDP. The books are pretty good, not pretty good, pretty amazing. Okay, and you can actually publish inside straight from here your books onto Amazon. But this is only for a specific upsell, but you get the front end of the offer that you can actually go out and create everything, create amazing books. Okay, so we have this option here with also, very important, this is free as well. The training that I have here is how to actually sell your books at the end. Once you create it, how to actually get that free first commission, first royalty, first something. Okay, it's all done here in the training. So you get all that for free if you decided to pick up KuroNazo. But you don't only get that, you get even a couple more things I'm going to be helping you with. I also created a software to help you with your KuroNazo journey. Okay, so you're going to be getting tutorials on how to the tutorials is how to use this. Okay, so you're going to be getting the niche and title gold mine. Okay, so you're going to get all these, so you can put them into the software. You're going to get a 48 sprint playbook. It's all done here, and it all has to do with basically your KuroNazo journey. So this is an extra, put it on the side and use it to help you build the book that you want that will sell. Okay, so all these, the 5, and especially my Royalty Profits software, you're going to get access for free. And I don't do this with the Royalty Profits AI. It's still selling today. It's a software that people are still buying. And basically, you can check out the sales page if you like, so you can see what you're actually getting for free. Okay, so if you come to the Royalty Profits AI, you're going to see the system. It got awards. I've got proof of results. I've got proof from my students. I've got people making money for this, and it's selling. It's still selling. Okay, so You get these bonuses as well. Everything is inside my actual review that you're seeing here. And I'm going to show you now in just a second how we're going to be creating a KuroNazo puzzle, which is very easy. You just create your book, make your cover listing, upload, and get paid, basically. And it's true. It does work if you do it right. So you have all these bonuses that you're seeing right here. Okay. It's all ready. And I'm going to be delivering. Now, let's get to the KuroNazo. You launch KuroNazo, you're inside, you're going to come in and you're going to start building. You get a guided setup if you'd like. So you can put this in another language. So if you don't understand something, you have all the details here. You could go to the guided setup so it makes it easier. Let's go and get started. So let's do this for it. Adults, let's choose medium. Let's do a lineup. Let's put names under the suspects. Click on next. Let's do find the mole. How many suspects? Well, look, if this one here had 4, you know what? I'm going to copy the one that we found on Amazon, and I'm just going to put, okay, all the 4620, and click on next. We can choose these premium variants. Let me do Larry's clue. One clue is false. Seasonal, if you want to do a type of theme, and then you can actually create like a style. Maybe in Oxford, you can see that the style is changing up there. And let's click on next. My name. Print the solution in the back. Create my book. Okay, and then it starts generating. It's got the front cover. It's got the back. The book itself, the KDP listings. It's designing the marketing images, etc. And once it's done, I'm going to be able to download, upload, etc. Okay, so it's doing its job, and it's basically that simple. Now we're almost done here with creating this book. It created the game is within the book. Okay, I've got all the descriptions and everything to upload it to my Amazon KDP. Okay, so the content is here. Okay, so the book, step into the case, one in love, and we can download everything. So from here, we are done. Okay, so here's the book. Here's the type. So right here, this is like how to play, blah, blah, blah. Anyway, we're done. I'm gonna a single PDF, exporting it. I can save my book. I've got my books. And by the way, you don't use AI. It's all built in. And you can play around with this as much as you want. This is the great thing about it. You're not limited, and we can just build this and upload it. Let me take this. You can edit from here. If you see something that you don't like, you can go through it. Okay, the clues, the mole is not wearing a necktie. The mole is a woman. The mole is not wearing glasses. So it gives you all that. So you come in and we see the lineup, but you can play around with it and add stuff. So here you can add more names. You can tick a box before choosing. You can choose a different language. And then here, let's say we're doing, let's do how many? 18 clues, 1 killer. Let's do 5 cases, 6 cases, and ramp up and generate the 6 case campaign. Case file 1, okay? And then it starts, and then the game in here will start working with the information and content that you built there. Okay, so this is basically what you're going to be doing. Ike has a lot of training inside to help you set up your accounts. Everything is ready. Download. Okay, and then we have everything in here. You can see that I've got my covers, back cover, front cover. I've got the images and my listing details, etc. Okay, these are the assets and materials on top of the book that we've created. And basically, we are done, and then we can upload it on KDP. All the information on how to upload on Amazon KDP successfully and how to make money with KDP, then you can just basically go through my training as well. So it's a win-win situation here. You're going to be able to go out, create these puzzle books real quick, join the people that are actually making money from this right here. They're selling it at $16.99 paperback, $41.99 on Spiral. I mean, we're talking about a good ROI in just basically you spending $17 for a software or whatever the cost is for this specific one. Okay, so I'm telling you right now, don't miss out on this opportunity to get inside this trend. This trend with puzzles and games, logic and brain teasers, perfect right now. Apparently, it's working, and there's a lot of people that are actually making good money from it. Okay, so there's huge things that you can be part, and you can be part of this as well. Now you can see that from the publisher, they have this stuff. You see this information right here? Well, this is the type of stuff that you're going to be using. Also, the marketing materials that we downloaded, that we created. Just a minute, you're going to be wondering, like, yeah, but what am I going to do with the? Well, you have all the covers here of what it does. The print wraps, the banners of how this. You saw it when I was creating it. Right now, it's exporting it, but you get my point. Okay, so this is how this works. This is a great tool from Ike. Pick it up right now and get access to my bonuses that delivered in a Google Doc inside your Warrior Plus under your access of KuroNazo. Again, you have 3 days. I'm taking away my flagship 1 and 2. The rest of the bonuses I'll leave. Other than that, thank you so much. Enjoy your Saturday, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Peace out.